Alright, so let's start with the language test. Ito yung parang assessment nila. Hindi siya written, it's oral, but the good thing is you wouldn't be able to see a real person, like automated lang siya. It contains two questions, not necessarily question. Yung isa more on idiomatic expressions that you have to explain and give sample sentence using the expression. Okay, you do not have to use rare words or complicated sentences. Just explain it in your own words, as simple as possible, because that's the most important thing. And also, do not rush, do not be pressured sa timer. You can, if hindi ka satisfied sa answer mo, you can redo it. Don't submit it yet. And just take note na hindi na uulit yung questions if you would be redoing it. Hindi maulit ang questions. When you start again, makaka-encounter ka na naman ng new questions. So you have to be careful dahil hindi mo alam na yung next na question ay mas mahirap pala. So be careful. And yeah, it contains two questions. Just be yourself. Be confident. Avoid dead air. Okay? And also make sure na yung environment mo or yung surroundings mo ay hindi maingay because i-review din nila yan. Yung background mo, simple plain white background will do. You have to dress appropriately and make sure na hindi maingay at malakas yung internet connection. And also sa demo ko, when it comes to my demo, hindi naman siya sobrang hirap unlike others, and yung evaluator talaga is super bait, super friendly. Like, you wouldn't feel pressured. And the evaluator acted as my student. And all you have to do is to be confident, maximize the use of the chat box, like all the information or all your explanations, lahat yun, itatype mo sa chat box. And also, just explain everything as simple as possible. Good luck!